Hey everyone, it's Miss Kendra from McBee, and today I wanted to enjoy the outside for a little bit and make some mini volcanoes. To make these mini volcanoes, we are going to need some food coloring. I got a few colors right here. A spoon, a couple of cups, and I placed it in a cookie pan. Some baking soda and some vinegar. We are going to pour some vinegar in each cup. We place the food coloring in the cups. Now we take a teaspoon of baking soda and watch the volcano erupt. Alright everyone, I hope you had some fun making these mini volcanoes, some time experiencing with some science, with some vinegar, some baking sodas. You can keep going and keep pouring some baking soda, keep pouring some vinegar. Endless volcanoes. I hope you enjoyed some time outside, and until next time.